Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Okay, so first, open up your settings. Now, scroll down into the bottom. Now click on General Management. Scroll down once again, click on Reset. Again scroll, find Reset options, and in here we have Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Simply click in here. Now click on this blue button, Reset Settings. And that's all. Our settings has been resetted. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.